Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload videos on YouTube. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first go to google.com and the search bar, search for YouTube Studio. Then click the first website, and this is the dashboard of our channel. So to upload videos, click create and click upload videos. Then drag and drop your video. For example, I have this like this, and here give a title of your video. For example, watch tiger. Okay, and here you can write your description of your video, and then here you can upload your timeline. To give access to upload a file, you should be first to verify your phone number. Okay, and then here, if your video made for kids, tap yes. If not, tap no. Okay, and then here tap no, don't restrict my video to viewers over. Then write a tag of your videos, for example, animals, cats, tiger, lion. Okay, like this, and select a video language, for example, English. Perfect. Now then select your category of your video. For example, I'll select pets and animals. So that's it. Then click next, and here you can add a subtitle to your video. Then next, and here click public to publish your video, and click publish. And now this is your link of your video. You can easily share it in the social media. Okay, let's open the video. So that's it. So that's how you can upload a video on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.